Hi, Rochelle here, and I want to show you some tips about Evelyn Wig. So first of all, it's so light and airy and very open so your scalp can breathe. So the first thing I want to show you is when you receive Evelyn, you'll see there is a little dot. And actually, if you open up, look underneath in the wig, you'll see that it is a little mono circle. So when you have it right side out, it's going to look like scalp. Because when you have very thin hair or very fine hair, you've got to start somewhere. And so what I want to do is loosen that up a little bit. So with our teasing brush, before I ever put it on, I will brush it and just loosen that little circle up a little bit so the hair is not laying completely flat. And actually, I would brush the whole wig in the opposite direction. So first I'm going to show you just simple ways to wear it, and then we're going to punk it up a little bit. So let's put her on. So up at the hairline, even the tabs. So here's where we start with Evelyn. So I want to make sure I have the bangs where I like them. It's super short behind the ears. And for the back, you can brush it down, but you see how it's very simple because it's very light. So you can use your fingers or use your brush and bring it in. Danielle, does that make a difference?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Okay.
And this color is Frosted Taupe, by the way.
So this is all Evelyn right down here. So that just makes it, I hope you see the difference between that and even taking the sides and brushing it side towards the back instead of, I think if you have very fine, thin hair, you're used to brushing it down. I think it's more feminine to just brush it to the sides, towards the center, and then straight down.
And Rochelle has very long hair, so in the back, if it's not laying flat down, that is her ponytail.
This is me right here, hidden as good as I can be hidden. So we'll go from there. So some of you are used to brushing your hair forward, and look how cute it actually looks with Evelyn. It's really cute that way. So when you first get a wig like Evelyn or any wig, brush it in the opposite direction also. So do you see how as soon as I brushed it in the opposite direction, then what it's intended, it started lifting a little bit. Can you see that, Danielle?
Uh-huh.
And so right there, it gives you a little more height. And if you're not used to it, because you have a lot less hair, that doesn't mean it's going to look fake. It's just going to give you a little bit of lift. You can really see the difference on me, I think.
Totally.
So I'm going to just show you right here and then take it back the way it's intended. Once you brush any wig on top in the opposite direction and then back where you want it or where it's intended, you're going to get more lift. And that's always flattering to lift our faces. Lift our faces. So let's say I want to give it a little punkier, a little more lift. So I'm going to use our Wig Wax. You always want to shake it. And I'm just going to spritz it, actually lift the roots and spritz it a little bit. When you get our wigs, they're so soft because they're moisturized. So a lot of times look what's already happening. It's already lifting. So it's very soft. You've got to kind of dirty it up a little bit with hairspray, our low alcohol hairspray, or this Wig Wax we offer on our website is really great. So I'm liking this, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm just gonna do a little bit here. I could even take that higher, and a lot of clients just like a little messier look With our teasing brush, you can then tease it to get some more height. So just tease it, hold the top and tease it down. If you're not used to teasing because you don't have a lot of hair, see what I can do? Make it as high as I want. So I'm just teasing down to the root. I'm not just teasing it. So I'm very intentionally taking it down to the root. That's what's going to hold these pieces up.
You could do a mohawk.
What?
I said you could do a mohawk.
I sure could. Let's have some fun, ladies. But Evelyn is so amazing. So, and if you like, let's just say I like this. Maybe I'm in a mood. You know, and the rest is going to go, maybe I'm going to bring this forward. Maybe I'm bringing this to the middle.
She's so versatile.
This Evelyn will do anything you want. So let's say I like it. I want to give it a spritz with our Keep It There, our low alcohol hairspray, which is so great. It comes scented and unscented. So I'm going to spritz down at the roots. That's where I want it to stand up. If I'm just spritzing, that's not going to keep it up. And I'll even bend my head down and let it dry like that. And then I keep my fingers off once I get it the way I want it, because there's a lot of water in our low alcohol. And so if you leave it alone, I'm still playing because I'm playing for you. But that's some good lift.
Yeah,
should I give it some more fullness, honey?
I mean, I like things flatter, so.
I know you do.
But she can do a lot.
Let's just play on the sides a minute. Let's just keep going. For some of you, I know you're a little wilder than all of us, but I'm in your group too, so I like it wild and crazy. And this is a look, so it's fun, and to not have perfect hair, and maybe you've never had this much hair, so it's just fun to let it look like it's windblown.
What happens if you brush it the other way?
Brush it which way?
Like turn it, go that way.
This way?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. So I'm brushing it in the opposite direction. This is Danielle's request. Let's see what happens. And I'm actually going to add a little water on top of the wig wax. And that makes it piecey. So I like that. Let's see how high, let's see how full this will go. And I'm doing it in the back too. Do you see a difference back here?
A little, yeah. Yeah, I like the look with the hairspray too.
Yes, I like it too. And if you want the bangs to be a little piecier, I would use the hairspray, even just spritz it on my hands and get it on the bangs. To bring those up so they're not perfect. Oh, that's cute. I could wear this. Now we're talking. So I think the trick, like Danielle suggested, is brush it in the opposite direction. So this really keeps it up here. And then instead of going downward, spritz your spray and then come upwards in the opposite direction. So that gives it a little lift. I can still tease where I want it. I love the PC little bangs. What do you think, honey?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's such a different look.
That's really cute, right?
Uh-huh.
What's the back look like?
Smoother.
A little smoother.
But it still has a little more fullness at the top from where you sprayed it.
There. And I think the important part to punk it is just at the crown.
Yeah.
Just to give it that height.
Yeah, and the hairspray or the wig wax, I think.
Right.
Or both, you know.
Right. So this is our Keep It There hairspray, and this is our wig wax. And they're both terrific to have. So it's really just playing, and then put it on and go live. I like this.
That's cute like that, yeah.
It's a completely different look for Evelyn.
Uh-huh.
So like with any wig, do not just put it on and be impatient. With clean hands, put your fingers through, spritz a little water first, and you know, take it from there. Take some time with it and connect.
Now, if you brushed it kind of a little smoother, like what would it look like now?
Just to calm it down with a little height. So it's
Yeah.
got some more height
Right,
now.
yeah. Cute.
Yeah, really cute. So again, please don't just take it down, because it looks, unless you like it, do what you want. But for me, I still like to keep it feminine, even though it's very short. So give it a little movement towards the back. Give it a little bit of a style. So there you have it. Let me know your questions and let me know if this helped, okay? Bye.